Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a fabulous day today. If you're new, hello and welcome. My name is Missy. I am the welder's wife. Also, if you are new, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button down below. It would mean so much to me to have you as part of my YouTube family. Also, if you're an oldie but a goodie, I just want to welcome you back to another one of my videos. Thank you so very much for coming back and watching another video and being here with me. You guys are so sweet and so awesome and amazing, and I just love each and every one of you, so thank you so much for all the support and love. As for today, today's What's for Dinner is going to be freezer meals. If you guys didn't know, I did go on vacation to California and Las Vegas with my sister, and so Toby was here with the kids by himself, and I knew I needed to make some food for them so they survived. So today I did freezer meals, and I'm going to show you how I make those and a simple way to put them all together that's going to be very simplistic for your husband or your kids or whoever is going to be cooking. And then also, if you're a busy mom, these are really great too. You can throw these together on a Sunday and then you have them throughout the week. So they're really great for that too. Also, today is not only special because it's all freezer meals, it is extra special because it is a collab with my amazing, sweet, sweet friend Amanda from formerly Hot Mess Mom, but now it is Mom's Messy Kitchen. If you guys don't know who she is, she's absolutely amazing. She does amazing What's for Dinner videos. We cook a lot of similar ways and similar things. So if you like my videos, you are definitely going to love hers. She has amazing other content on her channel as well, and I just know you guys are going to love her. So make sure you go and you send her some love and support her and subscribe. You won't regret it, I promise. Also, I wanted to say, if you're coming over from Amanda's channel, hello and welcome. My name is Missy, like I already mentioned. I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family as well. All you have to do is hit the red subscribe button down below. Go read some comments, hang out with us. We all have a lot of fun in the comment section over here, so I would love for you guys to join in on that. But without further ado, let's hop into today's What's for Dinner. Okay guys, so for the first meal, we're going to be just making some lasagna. This is probably one of the easiest and best things to make as a freezer meal because it's always gonna turn out good. So I showed you a little clip of things I used. If you're new, I do always put a shopping list down in my description box below. That way you guys can go to it. A lot of my subscribers say they screenshot it. That way they can use it in the grocery store if there's something they see they want to make. So there's a little tip for you if you are new around here. But first, I'm just going to brown some ground beef. I'm going to drain that and then add my spaghetti sauce. This Pioneer Woman garden vegetable spaghetti sauce, y'all. If you have not tried that, you have to get it. Also, I know you don't have to boil the noodles, but I just do because I need that peace of mind to know that they're going to be done. Then I'm just going to take 2 eggs, the ricotta cheese, some Parmesan, and some mozzarella and mix that with my blender. And then so how I layer mine is I just take my sauce, and then I will do a layer of noodles, and then I will do a layer of the ricotta mixture, and then I will do noodles again, and then end with sauce, and then I will top it with Parmesan and mozzarella cheese. So I found these little freezer trays from Walmart. I'm going to take a permanent marker, and what I'm going to do is write on it what it is and how to bake it. And then I also write on here what side dishes to have. They could do whatever they want to, and then of course a little I love you from Mom down at the bottom. You know, gotta add a little something special since I wasn't gonna be home. And then you just pop it in the freezer, and when they're ready to make it, they can make it. The next freezer meal we are going to be making is chicken pot pie. This is super simple. So you're just going to make your biscuit mixture with whatever mix you want. I'm not gonna make like homemade biscuits or anything crazy like that. And then I'm just gonna mix that up, and I will set that to the side. Once that is done, I'm going to take my another mixing bowl, I'm just going to add some frozen peas and carrots, a can of cream of celery. You can use cream of chicken or cream of mushroom. You could use cream of whatever you like. I know everybody's different. I'm really big over here on it's your kitchen. Do what you want to do. It's your kitchen. It's your family. You guys do whatever you like. If you see something and you think, oh my gosh, that might be really good, but we don't really like that, switch it up, change it. You don't have to make it this exact same way. I promise it's going to turn out good. So then I'm just going to add that cream of celery soup, and then I'm going to cut up a potato. The recipe, if you look up chicken pot pie, doesn't have potatoes in it, but I love potatoes in my chicken pot pie, so I always dice up some potatoes and add that in there. Another way to make this recipe easy and quick too is to get a rotisserie chicken from Walmart or Harps or wherever, whatever grocery store you use that sells rotisserie chickens, and then you're just going to peel that off and place that into the bowl. This makes it super simple, so you don't have to boil and season and do all this crazy stuff with chicken and shred it. This just makes it, like I said, very simple. I'm always about simple over here. I'm a working mom of 2. And so by the end of the day, I need something that's going to be quick, going to be simple, but yet is going to be very tasty. So that is what I am big on over here. So anyways, we're going to add our chicken, and then we're just going to stir that all together. And I'm going to add some salt and pepper.
It's hard for a heart to mend, 'cause I should know by now how to live without her. I'm in the dark when I make my...
Now that we have that all mixed together, we are just going to plop that into the pan, and then we will take our biscuit mixture and we just pour it on the top. That is so simple, you guys. You guys, like this is simple right here. So you just take that and you spread it all across the top, like I said, and then of course with a permanent marker I will write on it how to bake it. And this doesn't really need any side dishes. Chicken pot pie, you could have whatever you want to. You don't have to have a side dish with it. If you don't want to, you could, you know, do whatever you want to. Like I said, it's your kitchen. Do what you want to do, girlfriend.
I should know by now how to live without her. I'm in the dark when I make my way. I stumble and I fall.
So Brooklyn did end up showing you guys what it looked like when it was done. Of course they loved it because of course, hello, I made it. Duh, don't our kids always love everything we cook? That is not true at all, but they did like everything that was made in today's video, so that is good. This next thing is Ritz Chicken. This is so simple. You just need some melted butter, some Ritz crackers, some cheese, some garlic, some green onion, and some chicken breast. So all you're going to do is melt some butter, and then you will, in your mixing bowl, you will add your Ritz crackers, crumpled up, and then some cheese, some minced garlic, and some green onions, and a little salt and pepper. And then all you're going to do is you're going to dip your chicken breast into your melted butter. Once you dip it in the melted butter, you are just going to dip it into this mixture here. And so it's just like the Ritz crackers and the cheese and the green onion is just like your coating, as you will see here what I'm talking about. And then at the end, I take that what's left over in the bowl, and I will add that to the top. That way it kind of makes it more crunchy and more kind of like a casserole and not so much just chicken breast. And then for side dishes, Brooklyn made macaroni and cheese with this, which I did not write on there. They don't follow directions very well, but that is what they decided to make with it. And I will show you a little clip of my child in just a moment of what I caught when I started editing these videos. So this is that Ritz chicken, and then I'm going to just show you a clip here of what everything looks like stacked up in the freezer. Everything stacks so nicely in those trays, and it just makes everything very organized for somebody.
I'm funny. I turn off.
Could this be the smallest portion of food you've ever seen in your entire life? I hope she got seconds because that doesn't look like much food at all. But it does look delicious, and the kids and Toby said they loved that. So that's what they had this night.
Y'all blackened ranch. Outside.
What's at the dinner we made?
Yeah, it's so beautiful. One day,
Mom's gonna kill us.
It's gonna be funny though.
Okay guys, so that is it for today's What's for Dinner. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know down below what is a freezer meal that you guys love to make and that your family loves as well. And that's it. So I hope you guys have a fabulous rest of your day, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.